Menteri Ketenat Puli Putih ke Sorkarjylla rakam isang ma ula kentui ki Samla Puli ki badan mentah Haka Eksam bakin pelet Jingmut Shwa ya ka Jing Puli bat bu Shwa Sharud ki mobile bat kiwei ki Jingsngewbha kat ba 4 kut ke eksamen. Kumbalaya thu do menteri ki ladon hadu Henry Po saw hajar ngut tam ki Samla Puli baya khon ni ke eksam matrik mentah usnam kat ba Haka kelas 12 pat ki ladon hadu arpu khandai hajar ngut tam.
So this year, about 64,387 appearing SSLC examination. That means class 10 examination 2025, and SSLC, that means class 12 examination, about 29,773 students across the state appearing for the final examination. So therefore, on this note, I would like to wish them best wishes and my prayer to each one of them. And it's my prayer that they should excel and they should perform well. And as we look to the previous years, the overall performance of the SSLC examination is not up to the mark that we expect. Therefore, however, we encourage and we urge our schools and students to do better. And also, it's my request to all the students to forget everything, leave everything aside, be it their mobiles, be it their games, be it their television, be it their friends, be it what you call, and many entertainment programs to forget about, and they should concentrate on their studies. They should perform because this is a very, very important moment that will change their life forever. Therefore, we are expecting to better this time because we have government from the government side. We have initiated certain program to encourage, to motivate the schools and the students like CM Impact, some supplementary classes and the supplementary exam provision here and there. So I think we are expecting to do better.